Best dehumidifiers for mold. 7 Best humidifier for mold reviews. Number 1. Frigidaire 50-pint dehumidifier. The dehumidifier from Frigidaire is built to stop mold and mildew growth at home while preventing bacterial growth as well. Number 2. Remy 1500 square foot dehumidifier. The dehumidifier has a facility to soak excess moisture from the air of up to 20 pints. Number 3. Tosa 1500 square feet dehumidifier. It covers 1,500 square feet area and a moistures 30 pints of humidity per day. Number 4. Ivation 50-pint dehumidifier. Its capacity to cover 3,000 square feet area is more than sufficient for medium to large rooms. Number 5. HomeLabs 1500 square foot dehumidifier. It's specially engineered to lower your electricity bill. That is a vast save annually if you dislike counting it per day. Number 6. ProBreeze Electric Mini Dehumidifier. This cute little dehumidifier from ProBreeze is ideal for small rooms, especially if you have kids. Number 7. Afloya Electric Home Dehumidifier. It is a perfect recommendation for lounge thanks to its asymmetrical aesthetics and sleek space-saving design.